Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 1-inch wheel spacers on your Range Rover. Let's go! Lug seat compared to popcorn seat, greater focus area and safer. The learning design can expand the side which can heat dissipation contact area, so that it can contact more external cold air, enhance the heat dissipation effect, and reduce the internal strength of machining, besides upgrading the performance, strength, and durability of the wheel spacers. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the spacers and make the spacers become safer, higher performance, and have a better installation experience. This is the reason why BONOSS insists on independent manufacturing and continuously optimization of a design. In addition to practical functions, there is a sense of art. The wheel spacers surface is black hot anodized, making them more durable and corrosion resistant, longer survive life. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.